Hi guys, this is Anne. I want to do an aloe vera powder, so I'll try and see this will work. These are the aloe veras I want to dry. I have like two which are already drying, but this is someone asked me what kind of aloe vera this is. Okay, I have no idea. So these ones I just forage, and it's a good kind. I've not heard of any poisonous aloe vera according to the knowledge I have. Just that I don't know the types of aloe vera. I know there's Cape aloe, there's this aloe, I don't know, and there's another one, but I've not heard of. Unless you guys want to tell me of aloe vera that's poisonous, I'd be very interested to know, but I've not heard of anything like that. So I'm just going to show you how I cut them and then how I will place them in this dehydrator sheet. And yeah, let's just see how this goes. Oh Lord, help us. I hope it works. I'm using my phone, so bear with me. So I'll not show you the whole process. So yeah. So okay, according to aloe veras, they have this spiky part. So all I did was I just took a knife and scraped it out. I just did something like this. Just like that. So I don't know if you can see, but I just slice them. I don't have a chopping board, people, so I'm doing it natural style, vegan on a budget. If you had this would go easier, just use that and chop as thin as you can so it can dry faster. Okay, basically I'm not going to show you the whole procedure of me doing this because you are definitely will not be interested. You just want to see the final results, right? So I'm going to pause there, show you after I've cut, and then I put one tray. Okay, as you can see, I have not made them as thin as I wanted, but there are some which are thinner. The thinner you make them, the better it is. I tried to make some with what do you call it? This like a type of mandling, but yeah, they came out too weird. This one, I just put it like that. So now all I do is just put them in the tray. You're supposed to put them organized, but yeah, here they are. I tried to do the mandling, but yeah, unless you have those ones which can adjust the size of the thickness of what you're cutting, those adjustable ones, those ones would work. But apparently mine has only one size, and if you don't like it, too bad. So you can use that. It may make your work easier. So yes, let me tell you, the aloe vera, it's so good. I cut myself recently, and no, was it a cut or it was a burn? No, even a cut. I cut myself and then I put the aloe vera, and then the healing went so fast. Then recently I burnt myself. You know, you open a pot or a sufuria, as me I call it, and then the steam comes out and then it burns your hand. Oh my God, didn't I burn? Jesus of Nazareth, I burned. Anyway, so you're supposed to put them in an organized way, but as you can see, me, I'm not a very organized individual. Okay, I am, but since I'm holding the stuff here, yeah, just you make it as organized as you'd like, so that anyway, the more it's not, some are not falling on top of each other or overlapping, the faster it will dry. The faster you save on electricity, apparently. So this is what I am doing. Oh my God, I'm not showing you nicely. Concentrating on other things. Jesus. Alright, now this is how I've done it. Now the light keeps going. Jesus of Nazareth. Yes. So apparently it seems I'm going to use all my trays for the dehydrator. uh, I like sprinkling. Oh, the light has gone, so dark. Yeah, but anyway, so I'll check after 4 hours how these things dry, then show you how they look. That is if I remember. But I'll just give you an overview of how many hours you need for it to totally dry to be able to crush it in the blender and make a powder. Yes, I saw this recipe online. Don't ask me for where who it was, because I can't remember. It was just those ones where you are looking for aloe vera powder. I was wondering how can you make aloe vera powder. In my head I was like, how do you do that? It would be nice, especially when you're traveling and you eat something bad and you need the bowels to move, because aloe vera clears so many kinds of things, bacteria, viruses, all that. How that you have an upset stomach, it just cleans the system. Because the time I did, there is sometimes like trying funny things you eat somewhere. Oh my god, it has gone for so long. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So I'll just put in the dehydrator and I'll show you when they're all dried. Bye. Hi guys, these are the aloe veras. Have dried them. I'm sorry that the quality of the video is not so hot. Focus. Okay, now all I'm going to do is just going to put them here, then I crush them. There are some there, some there, but around 6 or 7 aloe veras that have dried. And there's some there. So I'll just put all of them and then I show you. Okay, they are the aloe veras, so I'm going to crush them up. I'll show you some crushing, but yeah. I don't even think you can see Jesus Christ. Oh my god. This detail is a powder. Let me put it at back. There you go, aloe vera powder. It is really, really nice and green. The camera is just showing a horrible green, but it's a nice bright green, so it looks awesome. And yeah, that's it. That is aloe vera powder. It's very easy to make. Oh, it took 8 hours to dry in the dehydrator, so yeah, just nice 8 hours. Especially if you cut them really thin, then that's when it might even dry in 7 hours. But me, I checked it after 8 hours and they were all dry. So yeah, the thinner it is, the faster it is for them to dry. So yep, that is it. And yeah, quite an amount. Those are like 6 huge aloe vera, 6 to 7 huge aloe veras if I'm not wrong. That's what comes out. Hi, thanks for watching. You can subscribe if you like this video, and bye bye.